In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request deposit on Jobber. Requesting a deposit on a quote is a great way to protect your time, cover upfront costs, and set clear expectations with clients. I'll walk you through the exact clicks in Jobber to add a deposit to a new quote, and I'll share a few tips along the way so everything is clear and professional. Start on the Jobber home dashboard. From here, head to the Quotes area. This is where all your draft, sent, and approved quotes live, and it's also where you'll create the quote that includes a deposit. Once you're on the quotes page, look for the option to start fresh and select New Quote. If you see an additional prompt, choose Create New Quote. To open a blank quote workspace, next, select your client. Pick the correct client from your list so the quote pulls in the right contact details and address. Accuracy here saves you from revisions later and ensures the deposit request goes to the right place. With the quote open, locate the option labeled Add Deposit or Payment Schedule. This section controls how and when you get paid. For a straightforward upfront payment, choose Deposit Only. A deposit is typically a fixed amount or a percentage of the total, due before you begin the work. Payment schedules, on the other hand, break the total into multiple milestones, but for this walkthrough we're focusing on a single deposit. After selecting Deposit Only, you'll see fields to define the deposit. Enter the percentage or the exact amount your business requires. If your policy is to collect, say, 30% upfront, enter that here. Use clear, consistent rules across your quotes so clients know what to expect. You can also add brief wording to make the terms easy to understand, such as when the deposit is due relative to approval. Clarity now helps prevent delays later. When you're satisfied with the deposit details, click Save. Saving applies the deposit to this quote and ensures the totals and payment expectations are reflected for the client. Before moving on, take a moment to review the quote line items, taxes, and the new deposit amount to make sure everything adds up correctly. A few quick tips. Choose a deposit percentage that aligns with your cost and industry norms. Keep your language simple and direct, and double-check the client information to avoid back and forth. If you use online payments in Jobber, adding a deposit here makes it easier for clients to pay the required amount directly once they receive the quote. That's it. Home quotes, new quote, select from the client, add a deposit, and save. You've now set up a professional clear deposit request in Jobber.